Select your team on PlaySport and start playing Apna game. Download the app now.
Chris Morris, Yuzvendra Chahal, obviously, he walks in.
My biggest problem with the fantasy team, because I've gone with Prithvi Shaw, Mohammad Siraj, yaar, kitna wicket dega? Don't think that. I want him to win. I want him to win for the sake of RCB.
This is the fantasy team brought to you by Player Sport, Boryada, Raj.
Select your team on PlaySport and start playing Apna game. Download the app now.
क्या करें आज बोरियादा? What do we do today?
Again, मुझे एक थोड़ा सा advice दो आज. Should we go with fantasy calculations, or tonight should we go with simple cricketing calculations given the stakes that are involved?
We can see if you go by cricketing logic. I don't know who will open with Shikhar Dhawan. I am really confused because it's a big game, and I am very sure Delhi will be also a little, thinking about who's going to open, because Ajinkya has not done well, and Prithvi, the way he's playing doesn't look great. So what they're going to do? But Boryada, what would you do if it is fantasy and you have to pick one of these two? What would you do?
See, that's a big call. I mean, you've just pointed out my biggest problem with the fantasy team, because I've gone with Prithvi Shaw. I've gone with Prithvi Shaw on the notion that it's Chris Morris and it's Mohammad Siraj and it's Isuru Udana and it's Navdeep Saini. None of them will be a Jofra Archer or a Jasprit Bumrah equivalent. So that's why I've gone with them. I've gone with Prithvi Shaw just because of the talent, but can he sort of keep his head? I've gone with Prithvi Shaw. I've gone with obviously Shreyas Iyer and Shikhar Dhawan. So these three from Delhi. I've dropped Rishabh Pant. Doesn't look the part to me. I've gone with Marcus Stoinis just to bolster that batting attack a little bit. On the other side, I've gone with Devdutt Padikkal, AB de Villiers and Virat Kohli. I've dropped Josh Philippe. I've changed this. I will change this if Aaron Finch plays. If Aaron Finch plays, Marcus Stoinis goes out for me, Aaron Finch comes in. So that's the change that will happen in my side if Aaron Finch plays, because pressure games, pressure men. So Stoinis goes out, so Finch comes in. Among bowling, two people walk in, and one is Yuzvendra Chahal, absolutely walks in, Kagiso Rabada. The last call is between Chris Morris because of his all-round ability, though the batting has faltered a little bit, and Anrich Nokia. I'm tempted to go to Chris Morris a little bit because Anrich in the starting half of the tournament was way more lethal. Has he lost steam? Is he exhausted? Is he tired? I don't know. So that's how I'm tilted. Maybe I look at that toss and make that final call. If it's due, then I will obviously back the team bowling first and go with either a Morris or a Nokia based on that condition, equation. That's how I've gone with the fantasy team for tonight. And as I said, emotions have taken precedence for me. Normal circumstances, I would have thought it many more times, but I've blindly gone with Virat Kohli as captain. I don't care. I mean, Virat is an all-time favorite. I've seen that guy grow in front of my eyes, and I know what it means to him. I know what it means to him. I want him to win. I want him to win for the sake of RCB, for the sake of himself, most importantly, for the sake of India. If Virat Kohli wins this and goes to Australia in that mindset, would not be better for India. That's why I want no disrespect to any team. I want Virat Kohli to win because that will give the Indian captain a mental space which India will benefit from in that tour of Australia.
No, there is no doubt about that. Rajeshri, any changes to that team?
No, I'm also going to be a little emotional about this fantasy lineup with some cricketing perspective. For fantasy cricket, obviously there are so many tips, there are points to balance, so you have to stick to a lot of that. But in a couple of the teams that I have, in that one team, I'd go with Devdutt Padikkal, Shikhar Dhawan. I have Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers both, hoping that it's a big day, big guns would fire. Again, yes, like Boria said, if Aaron Finch does play, that top order might see a bit of a change. I might just go back to Aaron Finch instead of Devdutt Padikkal or Shikhar Dhawan, because Shikhar Dhawan hasn't been among the runs in the last couple of games, hoping that he will fire on a big day. You're also hoping that men like Virat Kohli, AB de Villiers make it their day, right? In one of the other teams, I would have Shubman Hetmyer, Shreyas Iyer somewhere in the middle order. But in this particular team that I'm talking about, where Virat Kohli and AB de Villiers both feature, I'd go with Washington Sundar, again hoping that Sundar has bowled brilliantly in the power play, but because teams haven't taken too many chances against him, he's not quite produced those wickets. So it's a bit of a dilemma when you take that call in fantasy cricket. So that is something that I'll think about as we get head into the grade. Chris Morris, Yuzvendra Chahal, obviously he walks in. From Delhi, then the three bowlers, Kagiso Rabada, Anrik Nokia, and R. Ashwin. So it all depends really, because it all depends on how these big players feature today. But when you get into a game like this, you're hoping that that the big names perform.
Yeah, Burda.
If you are making multiple teams, always think about it that in a huge pressure night, there is always the chance of a blowout. What do I mean by a blowout? It means one team is super dominant. We all think of close matches and all, but if you really look at pressure games and very high pressure games, you will see they are oftentimes one-sided. Oftentimes they are one-sided because one team steamrolls the other. So make two teams. I keep telling you, make two teams. Today, go with 4 teams. The team that I gave you is the conventional cricket team, where we've thought about it, we've come up with a team. 2 teams are blowout teams, straight 7-4. Delhi, RCB. And when I say straight 7-4, I mean 4 Delhi bowlers, because the RCB top order is fragile. So if Nokia Rabada and, as he said, Ashwin knock off the cream, say Ashwin knocks off Padikkal or Nokia Rabada. So go with a 4-3 with a possibility that there will be 120, 130 all-out situation. Similar for RCB. Go with because the Delhi top order, as you've seen with Mumbai, is fragile. And if you are going this option, you might think, hey, Mohammad Siraj, yaar, kitna wicket dega? Don't think that. Don't think that. Because there will be one freakish superstar performer emerging like a phoenix that particular night. So if you are following this blowout option, go all. Don't leave one, because that's fantasy. And here I'm talking fantasy. So Mohammad Siraj, Navdeep Saini, Chris Morris, Yuzvendra Chahal. Boom, 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 boom. Take that option. Go with this option knowing this team might lose. Go. Because this is a punt fantasy option. But either way, if you're playing both teams, chances are you might just be right and you might win big.